So we've gone through the algebra of this, and we know that this is 8.5 inches, right? And then we want to get 2.5 inches in the middle of the paper, and we even got our measurements, and that's why we practiced them on the ruler paper. So the things that now that you have to do in order to do this is you have to use those measurements. The first thing you got to do is you got to line up your 1-inch mark. Unless you have a really expensive ruler, the end is never the 0 mark. So you have to line up that 0 mark. The other side should be at 8.5. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to mark it at 3 inches, 4 3/4, and 5.5, which are the measurements that we found on that other paper. I'm going to do that on one edge, and then I'm going to come over here, maybe 2 or 3 inches from the other edge, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. 3, 4 3/4, 5 1/2. And what that's going to do is it's going to make sure that I have parallel lines parallel to the edge, parallel to each other, because I know this is 3 inches here, I know that this is 3 inches there. What everybody does for some reason is they decide they're not going to put 2 marks on here, and you're going to end up having something that's just slightly tilted that way. So I'm going to line up both of these marks. I'm going to put a nice dark line all the way through it, line up these parts, these 2 marks, and put a line through it. Oh crap, see, that's bad. I'm just going to put this down though and do it again. Spreading my fingers out and doing it that way. When you are finished with your stuff, what you'll do is you'll come over, we'll line it up with mine, and then I will write your name on it, which means that you passed on, and you don't have to do it anymore. Okay? Thank you.